Hello guys, in this video we are going to teach you how to prompt your Midjourney. So it's really simple and it's really effective and straightforward. So if you want hyper-realistic or Renaissance type of paintings, you can do so. So this is going to be up to you. So all you have to do is go here in your Create tab or Explore tab, because Explore tab will give you an idea on how it was done and how the text prompt is going to be made. So here there's like a text prompt that you can get, so you press create right now or just join now right here. So there's plans that are going to be given to you, of course, before you can even actually prompt this. So you will have to actually subscribe first before you get to Midjourney and how it works. So there's going to be a free trial, of course. So here are some examples that you can do. There's a lot of generative type of things you can do, but basically it's pretty simple. So just look around for a bit right here, so we can edit right here. So edit is not available for some reason, or even create is not available for me. So basically you still have to actually just pay them, which is kind of weird. So this is another mid journey that I have found. So basically to prompt it, so I'll give you an example already right here. So there are going to be a lot of types of examples that are going to be going around, but it's simple. So for this image right here, as you can see, it's going to be hyper realistic. So you select the actual generative AI that will do the most hyper realistic. So you select that. And then right here, you will have to prompt a dude in a suit, basically. And then you have to prompt the background too, which is going to be blurry. You have to specify there's explosions, it's blurry. There's going to be sparks flying around his head. He is wounded and he is an HD type of person and really edgy. So you have to specify what you want and how you like it to be. So this may take up to a couple of tries before you get it, but this will be coming to you soon as you actually get a hang of it. As you can see, there's also others right here, hyper realistic, even ads can be made. So words are also accurate right now. So not really that accurate in this one. So as you can see, this is the prompt. So let's actually get the prompt from this a while ago. So a character for Peaky Blinders, looking at the camera, action, background, gunfires, explosion, and it's already hyper accurate without even prompting it to its max limit. So there you go, guys. So you can copy the prompt right here and then prompt it yourself when you're creating. So if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.